Hey friends, it's Sean with iwashyouDry.com, and today we are going to be making my delicious garlic butter scallops. Now these garlic butter scallops come together in just minutes and are perfect with some thin pasta, so go ahead and get that started now. The first thing we're going to do is take about a pound of scallops, and I've got large sea scallops here. Bay scallops are going to be the smaller ones, so you want to go with the bigger ones. Pat them dry between 2 paper towels to get some of that moisture out of there. Perfect. And then I'm gonna season them with about a ½ teaspoon of salt and a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, now we're gonna heat up a skillet. All right, so I am gonna use a stainless steel pan. You can also use a cast iron pan. And we're just gonna add in about a tablespoon of olive oil and let that get nice and heated up. All right, and just like most seafood, these scallops are gonna cook very fast. And if you do overcook it, they're gonna be tough and rubbery. So you want to make sure that you don't overcook them. You're just looking for an internal temperature of about 125 degrees to 130 degrees. Basically, they should be soft to the touch when you push down on the middle after they've cooked. But we're gonna just sear them right now. Once the scallops are nice and seared and still just slightly squishy to the touch, we're gonna remove them from the pan. All right, and to our hot skillet, I am going to add my favorite Land O'Lakes butter with olive oil and sea salt. And we are gonna add in 3 tablespoons. And I love this butter spread because it just makes cooking dinner on a busy weeknight so much easier. It tastes delicious. And Land O'Lakes is a farmer-owned company, which I just absolutely love. So we're gonna melt this butter spread into our skillet. And then I am just going to simply add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Stir that until it's nice and fragrant. It already smells so good. And then just a ½ of a lemon. I'm gonna get the juice out of this. This is gonna really brighten up the flavors. It complements the scallops nicely. All right. Perfect, smells divine. All right, now I am just going to add in our scallops back to the pan. And then you just garnish it with about a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. You can just take some of that butter sauce and simply spoon it over the scallops. So good. And then, like I said, I already cooked my pasta, so I am going to plate these garlic butter scallops real quick for you, and you're gonna see just how delicious they are. Pasta. And I'm using a thin spaghetti. Angel hair would also work, just something nice and delicate to go with the tender scallops. You can add the scallops right on top. And then my favorite part, spoon more of that delicious sauce, buttery sauce right over the top. Just a little bit more parsley on there, and then definitely serve it with a lemon wedge. Nice and bright flavors. Woo, so good. Serve this with some crusty bread, and it's a perfect, easy weeknight dinner, or also super elegant for like a fancy romantic dinner. Either way, you're going to love it. Let's give it a try. Wow, that's so good. The scallops are buttery and tender and flavorful and juicy. Oh, this is an excellent, excellent meal. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. Go ahead and head to iwashyouDry.com to get the full recipe, as well as more amazing quick and easy dinner recipes just like this one. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.